morning. Today is Sunday. So I do a live today because I just want to share the informations how to start your inspections and what is the categorizations of your punch list. Whatever you do the inspection and also the testing. Alright? So I have some query, all of some of my subscriber and related categorizations, how to do the punch list and how to do the categorization. So first and foremost, if you are new in this channel, don't forget to like and subscribe so that you can notify uh, all of my new downloaded or uploaded videos. So okay. So for example, guys, this is if you are interested to proceed or wants to become a QA/QC or inspector, you you need to know how to read the drawings. You know how to do the Words, Excel, and PowerPoint because that is part of your journey be to make a report and presentations. Okay, as a QC, as an inspector, you know what is your requirements. So first, what is your requirements based on the ITP, based on the procedure. So basically, the documents of our during our activities, we can see our QCP, quality procedure, and we need to know some of the PQP. Okay, procedure. Then ITP, of course, ITP. So now the question is how you start the inspection, right? So from my side, if I am working as a client, so I have a contractor and I have also a subcontractor. For example, the construction team from the contractor side, we're talking about the activities at site. So now the installation of switchgear or installation of cables. So whatever the installation is completed, so the construction team, the foreman, the supervisor, or the engineer notified to the QC team that it's already complete. So meaning, when you installing the panel, okay, the QC submitted this RFI, request for inspection, submit for ready for installation. So meaning, the panel is ready for installation. So the QC, what are you going to do? The QC, the inspector, you need to go there during the time of the notification. What is the timing? So you need to see the timing. For example, Tuesday, 9 a.m. So 9 a.m. you must be there. Of course, the QC from the contractor and subcontractor must be there as well. They came first. If you are the contractor, guys, remember, you need to come earlier before the client arrive. Okay? So that's a normal procedure. Don't wait there. So when you ask the client for the inspection, so client first came and then you are late. So that is not correct. Okay? As a contractor, you need to come first along with your technicians from the construction side to help you to start the activities. Or else you have the assistant to do these activities. Okay? So what are you going to present to the client during your inspection? So we're talking about the installation of panel. So whatever panel that you are installing. Okay, panel board, switchboard. Okay. So now what are you going to proceed? Show the client and what is the requirement. See, remember guys, the documents, we have the documentation. We have the ITP, which is presenting the installation checklist, the pre-commissioning checklist. So we're talking about particular installation of the switchboard. So now you have the checklist. If you are familiar already your checklist, kaliwali, there's no need. From the client side, they will not bring anything. They will come there and attend the inspection, witness the inspections that offered by the contractor. All right. So now, client arrived, show the evidence that it is ready. First thing first that you need to present the RFI, the attachment of the RFI, which is the approved drawing. What is the approved drawing? That is approved drawing from the company. Okay? Not approved by the engineering of the contractor. So we have engineering of the contractor, we have engineering of the company. So based on the approved documents, IFC and complete signature, meaning you are ready. So this document is ready for inspections, issued for construction. So this is your basis. All right? And then what is the ITP? What clauses is that? ITP 1.3 or 1.2 or 2.3 or 2.4. So that is the basis. So you need to check. And then since I am from the client, I know what is the requirement, I know what is the scope, I know what is the need to check. Okay? So first thing, I from the client side, I will tell the contractor, okay, subcontractor, that have you done your inspection internally? This is the first questions that I made. Have you done the inspection internally? If you say yes, and the internal inspection along with your that you completed the inspection. Okay, based on the checklist, show me what is your punch list. Okay, I will ask the contractor, show me what is your punch list. Meaning, if you are not showing to me the punch list that you captured during the internal prior the notification of your RFI, which means you did not do your job. You are not doing anything. You just invite the client to attend the inspection and then let the client do the punch list. That is not correct. You are the contractor, you do your internal inspection along with the construction team that this is ready for inspection. Perhaps sometimes you already done, but we have different eyes and they have different experiences. Okay? Now, for example, if I ask the contractor, have you done your inspection? Yes, sir, I done the inspection. Okay, show me the punch list. This is the punch list, sir. Alright? He show me the list of punch lists. For example, 5 punch lists, 10 punch lists, etc. Okay? Now, I will verify the punch list that he captured. Okay? And then I will ask him, show me the checklist. The inspection is installation. Okay, show me the checklist and show me your punch list and show me the layout and installation details. If you don't have installation details, how the contractor installed without the installation details? These are questions also. And then show me these documents. Then show you. And then now, based on the installation details, you can see and clear vision that where is the equipment installed. Okay? For example, this is my mobile. Okay? So now, this is the wall. So, example, this is the wall and this is your mobile. Okay? The layout details showing to me that there is a gap here, 1.2 or 2 meters or 1.5 meters distance between the wall and your equipment. Okay, and now you need to measure this based on the installation details, based on the layout. It's showing there how much the distance. So you measure that one. All right, so when you measure, so is that correct? 1.5 meters based on the drawing? Yes, correct. Check. Check. You need to check. And then the height, the elevation. Is this the elevation of the support where you are installing of your equipment? Is that the same elevation of your installation details? Verify as well. The height of your equipment as well. From the top of your equipment up to the for ceiling, or there's a ceiling, you can measure. If nothing, then no problem. All right, and then check everything. And now, did you see already the layout? So for example, sometimes the orientation is wrong. You need to verify. Maybe the orientation like that. This is your wall, the orientation like this. Okay. And then sometimes the orientation like that. So this is your face. So check the front and check the back. In the drawing, it's showing that front at back. So you need to understand. Alright? So hi Balaji. So Balaji is watching. Oh. And now, for example, there is a mistake of the measurement. So as a QC, as an inspector, what are you going to do? So you need to do the markup, red line markup. So meaning the installation of that equipment, the distance, the elevations is wrong, you do the red line markup. Okay? Do the red line markup, capture in your punch list. Red line markup, okay? Reference, blah, 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 mention that one. So that is your basis. So now what is the categorization? Red line markup. So when you write the categorization, so red line markup, so meaning related drawings. So you are updating the drawings, you put the red line markup. So you put category B. Category B meaning it's not the high level of the punch list categorization, that is only B. Okay? Sometimes you're putting C, but from my side, we're always putting category A and category B. Okay? So now you understand what is the inspections required, what is the documents required, and how you do the inspections, and how to do the questions. If you are a contractor right now, as a contractor inspiring quality QA/QC, so you need to understand that you need to be a soft-spoken to your client. In order your client, it will not be become angry, or become sometimes you are rude. Don't do that. All right? So we need to help each other, and contractor and the client. All right? So but as a contractor, you need to do your job. What is the documentations? What is the drawing? Approved drawings, approved documents. As a quality, guys, remember, as a quality, you are the front line of all the documentations. Okay? After that, you are registering your punch list. You're registering your how many punch lists that you have. So for me, I'm basing the punch list that capturing by the contractor. I can see it, then verify. So this is how you inspect the installations. Verify the JA, verify the installation details, and then of course the orientations, and then the measurements. After that, only the installation. Don't put punch list is not related in your inspection. Sometimes quality inspector putting the punch list without as per their mind, as per they don't do punchless. For example, in that inspection, oh guys, this one needs to be rectified. For example, this is the panel, and then panel, there is no breaker. There's a missing of the components. Okay, you just tell the informations to the contractor that need to verify this one, and ask your construction team that during the inspection you need to install this. Okay, because maybe in the future we don't know that that is not part of the inspections. Okay, so you need to check that one. So inspection is different the installation of the equipment. Okay, so installation of the panel itself, just installation, check the orientation, layout, and then based on the JA, and then check the equipment itself, there is no damages. So if there is a damage, peel off the paint, so that's a paint. And now again, the contractor offering you what next inspection, offering you for the installation of the equipment with whole components. So you need to check all the components, circuit breaker, sockets, the rating of the breaker, if there is a relay, there is a light, etc. What is the enclosure inside? Is this IP rating? What kind of enclosure? That is GRP or EXD? Flame proof? Hi Latigis, how are you? So welcome. So this is how a simple instructions to become a inspector. And those who are aspiring to become a QC or inspector, you need to follow and check all of my videos that already uploaded, and can learn something from my experiences. And then I prepared ebooks. I have too many ebooks now I prepared. So later on I will sold this as a sort of information to learn as well, that my ebook on your journey on your quality inspection and testing. Okay, and now we proceed for example, I'm installing socket. So I'm offering installation of socket. So I have a checklist. So what is the checklist of your socket? So the company providing you the checklist. So what is the checklist of the power socket? So first, check identification of tags provided as per drawing. Number 2, check the conformity against the IFC drawing and specification. Say, check the tags is correct. Check the IFC drawings specification. Is that correct? Socket is correct mounted based on the drawing of the JA details. Okay. Socket, if there is a junction box, okay, according to drawing is correct. And then if there is a gland, the gland that they are using is correct as per the approved specification and standards. Okay, the looping of cables, if there's a looping of cables, you need to check. There's a it's a sharp bend or too much coiling. Okay, and then some of the checklist is not required, like a mechanical interlock. That's mechanical interlock, it belongs to the switchgear. But some of the checklist, they are putting that in your other items. Okay, earthing. So wise of the earth cable that they are installed as per specification, what's the size. Okay, and then as what I said earlier, if you need to do the red line mark up as a red color to do that, and then check the cable gland, and check the gaskets, or check the serrated washer, or what is the requirement. Okay, any spare hole, For the space entry, as per the specification and standards, we have a 20% spare available in your equipment, like that. So, and then register your punch list. Alright guys, and put the results, everything is there. So that's basic informations how to do the inspections and testing as well. So when you do the testing of the cables, there is a checklist as well. What kind of testing that you are going to do. So a lot of information guys, and you are ready to start your journey to become an inspector, QC engineer. So I have a guide. There are a lot of guides, videos that I already upload, and then soon, wait for my ebook that I will sold that on through online. It's very affordable, and then it's a lot of informations that can start your journey to become inspector, to become pre-commissioning. So because these inspections covering all throughout the construction, inspection, testing as well. So meaning from the inspection, that's what we call this pre-commissioning. So pre-commissioning, then if you know the pre-commissioning, so of course, you know also to go to proceed commissioning. So not 100%, of course you have an idea how to become a commissioning engineer, commissioning technician, commissioning supervisor. So step by step that you need to learn throughout your journey. But if you are the beginner and then you are starting to become a QC, QAQC or QC inspector, start learning, start reading and listening, check my videos, and then watch out and wait for my ebook that to be published. And then you need to learn many things that related QC inspections and testing. All right, and enjoy your day. Today is Sunday, and have a nice day, holidays, and bye bye. Take care guys. God bless all. So I will stop now.